Now we are going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 1991 as a 5 marks question. So here we need to find the Laplace transform of the given waveform x of t, So here by writing the x of t as a mathematical form, this is equals to x of t equals to having the amplitude 1 over 0 to capital T, and having the amplitude minus 2 from capital T to 2t, and having the amplitude of 2 from 2t to 4t, and having the amplitude of minus 2 from 4t to 5t. So this is the x of t given. Now we need to find the Laplace transform for this. So the Laplace transform of this signal x of t is obtained by taking the expression x of s equals to, that is integral minus infinity to infinity, x of t into e power minus st dt. So here we have the limits over from 0 to 5 capital T. So over the limit 0 to 5 capital T, x of t into e power minus st dt. So by dividing this into, we need to divide this integration over these limits. So from 0 to t, the x of t value is 1, that is e power minus st dt, plus integral over t to 2t, this is having the amplitude of minus 2 e power minus st dt, plus integral 2t to 4t, this is having the amplitude of 2 e power minus st dt, plus integral 4t to 5t, this is having the amplitude of minus 2 e power minus st dt. So by applying the integration and by substituting the limits, we will get the answer for this. So we will get x of s equals to, we need to apply the integration for e power minus st over the limit 0 to capital T. So e power minus st, the integration for e power minus st is e power minus st divided by minus s over the limits with respect to t here, over the limit 0 to capital T, and this is minus 2 of we have integration e power minus st divided by minus s over the limits t to 2t, and the next one is the integration for e power minus st over the limits 2t to 4t, plus 2 e power minus st divided by minus s over the limits 2t to 4t, and the next one is minus 2 of e power minus st. This is minus 2 e power minus st divided by minus s over the limits 4t to 5t. So now by substituting here, we can take this 1 by minus s as common in all of the expressions. So by taking this minus 1 by s as common, and by substituting the limits here, this becomes e power minus s capital T minus this is by substituting the 0 we will get 1 here. So this is one expression, minus 2 of, this is e power minus 2st minus e power minus st plus 2 into e power minus 4s capital T minus e power minus 2s capital T minus 2 of e power minus 5s capital T minus e power minus 4s capital T. So this is the expression. By simplifying this we'll get x of s equals to minus 1 by s of, so by writing in the order, this is nothing but e power minus st, e power minus st, this becomes minus 2 minus becomes plus 2 e power minus st, then totally it becomes 3 into e power minus s capital T, and here you can observe that this is equals to minus 2 into e power minus 2 st, and this is minus 2 into e power minus 2 st, then totally this is equals to minus 4 e power minus 2s capital T. Coming to the fourth power, this is 2 into e power minus 4st, and this is plus 2 into e power minus 4st, then this becomes plus 4 into e power minus 4s capital T, and this is minus 2 e power minus 5s capital T, and this is equals to minus 1. So this is the expression for, so finally this is the Laplace transform of the given waveform in terms of capital